When it comes to construction projects in Jaewar, Noida, geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and stability of the structures. Geotechnical investigations involve studying the soil and rock properties of a site to assess its suitability for construction. These investigations are conducted by experienced geotechnical engineers who use various techniques and equipment to gather data and analyze it. The information obtained from these investigations helps in designing the foundation, determining the load-bearing capacity of the soil, and mitigating risks associated with soil instability. Geotechnical investigation services Jaewar Noida are essential for any construction project as they provide valuable insights into the ground conditions. By studying the soil composition, density, and strength, geotechnical engineers can identify potential risks such as landslides, settlement, or soil erosion. They can also determine the appropriate foundation design for the specific site conditions. This information is crucial for ensuring the safety and longevity of any structure built in Jaewar, Noida. In addition to assessing the soil properties, geotechnical investigation services Jaewar Noida also include evaluating groundwater conditions. Understanding the water table level and its potential impact on the stability of the soil is vital for designing effective drainage systems and preventing water-related issues like flooding or seepage. Geotechnical investigations help in determining the permeability of the soil and its ability to drain water efficiently. This knowledge allows engineers to devise appropriate measures to manage water on-site during and after construction. Geotechnical investigation services are essential for assuring the stability and safety of the structures in construction projects in Jaewar, Noida. In geotechnical investigations, the soil and rock qualities of a site are examined in order to determine whether or not it is suitable for construction. Geotechnical engineers with experience undertake these investigations and use a variety of tools and procedures to collect data and analyze it. The knowledge gained from these examinations aids in foundation design, determines the soil's capability for bearing loads, and reduces dangers related to soil instability. Any building project needs geotechnical investigation services Jaewar Noida since they give useful information about the ground conditions. Geotechnical engineers can discover possible threats like landslides by analyzing the soil's composition, density, and strength. Another aspect of geotechnical investigation services Jaewar Noida is slope stability analysis. Geotechnical engineers assess the stability of slopes by analyzing factors such as slope angle, soil cohesion, and internal friction. This analysis helps in identifying potential risks like landslides or slope failures and designing appropriate measures to prevent them, such as retaining walls or stabilization techniques. In conclusion, geotechnical investigation services Jaewar Noida are an integral part of any construction project in the area. By studying the soil properties, groundwater conditions, and slope stability, geotechnical engineers ensure that structures in Jaewar, Noida, are built